Hi, I'm Mel Burns, CEO of Anatomy Trains. I'm also a dissection lab instructor, and I've just come back from 4 days in the lab with Todd Garcia, Tom Myers, Thad Dudry, and Jen Slade. And we were at tables helping students to be able to do layered dissection of 5 different donors. We saw so much different comparative anatomy, male and female, as well as brilliant dissections by Todd Garcia, where he basically showed us the medial and lateral pterygoids. We had some dentists in the room with us being able to share their experience. We had people from physical therapy, osteopathy, manual therapy, massage therapists, structural integration practitioners, personal trainers. It was such a wealth of experience with people from Hawaii, Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong, people joining us from all over the world. We really hope you'll join us October 24th to the 27th for a 4-day dissection, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You will get to see the body in a way that you've never seen it before, untreated donors, unembalmed, and nothing like what it looks like in the books. So please join us.